What's going on, family? This is not financial advice. Yeah, man, let's do your own research, man. We're just going to be checking out the dollar index, man. We're going to be seeing where this market could potentially be going, man. As you can see, the dollar is looking strong, man. They're still up at about 109 area, and they've been bouncing off this trend line all year. So this is what we got to look out for. To potentially see where the market going. So as you know, the dollar is rampant right now. So we could see a pullback to this trend line within the next week. If that happens, the market will have a nice little recovery rally. But I'm thinking the dollar is still strong right now. They are showing some weakness, but I think within the next 60 days, the dollar is going to spike up. So that's what I'm watching right now. The dollar index is one of the key indicators to where the institutions are putting their money. So that's why we have to watch the dollar index, man. So let's keep an eye out for this one. And I just want to show you some possible scenarios that this market could go. For the bulls case, this is the correlation over a span of years. And we have 4 scenarios here. So this is what could be happening for the bulls. So this is where we are right now. For the bull scenario, if we bounce here, and this could be the fake out, and they just rally up from here and fill the gap above them, because you know they gapped down, made a huge gap down. So this could be the huge rally that could be happening. In the other case for the bulls, they bounce here and they attempt to make a new low. So they come down, they make a new low, and then they could bounce from here. So what the bear scenario is, which I'm really watching out for right now, because everything is finally doing what it's supposed to do. The market has faked for long enough, and they either have to double bottom or make a new low, or at least attempt to make a new low. So we got some strong levels in this market that could be dropping some bombs on this stock market, man. So this is another bearish scenario. Attempt to make a new high, rally for maybe a week, and then they make a new low. So that's what I'm watching for. And the other scenario, bearish scenario, will be for them to bounce up again, make a new low, go sideways, and then just drop like a rock. So we're watching all these possible scenarios, because you know the institutions, man, they know where to put their money, man. So you know the triple winching expired, and there's no telling what they do with this market, man. But I'm closely watching. This is what I've been trading, man. The VIX, man, and it's been paying off. So the VIX, when the VIX spikes, as you know, the market tends to do the opposite. So the VIX is a key indicator for me, what I've been using. And as you can see, they're kind of stuck at this area. They can't break above the 28 area. So they're kind of stuck here. And we could have a fall in the VIX. But what I'm expecting is a fake out. So I'm expecting the VIX to at least get up to 30 before I see a nice bounce in the market. But who knows, man? They're on these moving averages. They're in the middle of nowhere. They found support, but they got all these rejection wicks up here. So I'm expecting the VIX to shoot up to 30, but right now they're looking weak. They fell all the way back down to 26.3. and they ended 0.11%. So this is just what I'm watching, man. These are my key indicators that I'm watching: the VIX, the dollar index, and I'm going to be watching the S&P, man, very closely. So just a heads up for you guys, man. It will be volatility will continue to spike for the rest of this year. So be careful trading this market, man. Like and subscribe to the channel, man, so we can get on the same page and we can trade as a community, man. 2 heads are better than 1, man. Let's get going. I'll see you guys tomorrow.